MHC Kenworth Denver, Colorado. The world's best in new and used trucks. Here's a 2020 Kenworth T680 for sale at MHC Denver. Super clean, 455 horsepower, 12-speed auto. It's a 76-inch raised roof double bunk with low miles, 141,000 to be exact. You've got a Bendix wingman system for safety. Warranties are available. You got 12K fronts, 40K rears, and a 232-inch wheelbase with 22.5 LPs, all aluminum wheels, and dual 120-gallon fuel tanks here. Your engine, a PACCAR MX-13 with that PACCAR 12-speed automatic transmission. Your interior obviously looks absolutely fantastic. Your sleeper does too. Lots of room, storage, and APU. And check out that dash, it shines. If you want this truck, a 2020 Kenworth T680, call MHC Denver at 888-592-4070.